One bright morning, a man found a silky cocoon of a butterfly in a garden. He was very eager to see what will happen to that cocoon. The next day, the man found a small opening was appearing from it. He sat there in a sheer curiosity and started watching what happens next to the butterfly for several hours. The butterfly was struggling to wrench its whole body through the tiny little hole. Then suddenly the man found that the butterfly stopped its movement and couldn't go further. Therefore, the kind man pitied the innocent butterfly and started to help it. He tried to free the butterfly from a tiny hole by cutting the cocoon with the help of scissors. The butterfly emerged easily because the man helped it, but the butterfly had withered wings with a swollen body. The man was very happy as he helped the butterfly to come out from the tiny cocoon hole. The man continued to watch it. The man was expecting that any minute the wings of the butterfly would begin to enlarge and it will start to fly. But for the man's surprise, nothing happened. In fact, the beautiful and innocent butterfly was never able to fly with its beautiful wings. The man was very kind, but what he did not understand is, by restricting cocoon, actually he is disrupting the whole life cycle of the butterfly, because the struggle for coming out from the cocoon was necessary for the butterfly's life. It was a natural process of progress, but the man interrupted the entire process, thus the beautiful butterfly died because of the kind man's foolishness. So what do we learn from this? Our struggles in life develop our strengths. Without struggles, we never grow and never get stronger. So it is important for us to tackle challenges on our own and not be relying on help from others. Why struggle is important? The hard work in the middle of any difficult challenge is more important than the ending. There are three distinct reasons for this. Number one, the struggle builds character. An easy life is one that doesn't change you. Challenges bring about change. The struggle requires determination, courage, intensity, and perseverance. Some days, it takes everything to keep going, especially when the end seems nowhere in sight. It's those moments you find out who you are. If you don't quit, you learn you can do amazing things. Number two, the struggle builds relationships. Persevering through a difficult challenge with a team or another person builds strong bonds that last a lifetime. When you suffer and struggle together, you build a defining moment in a relationship. You build mutual respect. You create a mental catalog of similar experiences. The struggle builds the story. Every great story has a hero's journey. The main character must struggle and overcome a major obstacle or challenge. As an audience, we become endeared to the hero as he endures hardships and trials. This is the same with people and organizations. We are attracted to those who have faced trials and overcome those. We appreciate the cancer survivor, the wounded veteran, and the entrepreneur who struggles for years to build a great company. The tougher your story, the more people are interested in you.